Audrey, tell Mommy how old you are today. Show me. How old is that? How old? 2?
No, 3.
You're 3 years old today? Happy birthday. Can you give me a big birthday smile? Hey, can you give me a birthday smile? What are you eating? What is it? What are you eating? Audrey, what are you eating? I can't hear you. Fish eyes? Gross. Fish eyes? Frog legs? What is it? What is it? Huh? Pudding? Birthday cake? What kind of ice cream? Do you like chocolate? Is it your favorite? I love you.